Hello everyone, this is my new book, Traditional Money versus Crypto, libhalwe ngesiZulu nange-English. Kule video ngizobe nginichazela ngo-Chapter 2, Bank versus Crypto Exchange. Awu-10 ama-chapter esephelele, u-table of content lona, line-quiz futhi, which is yasiza umuntu ofunda nge-crypto. So, asiqaleni ngo-Chapter 2. Okay, sesifikile ku-Chapter 2. Banks versus Crypto Exchange. Exploring Finance Options. Asiqale ngo-banks ngalana. Ukuze understand i-crypto, bengifisa ukwenza i-comparison ne-traditional finance or traditional money. Mofuna imali, uya e-bank, uya ku-FNB noma u-Capitec. Mofika khona, uthola i-bank account, bazokunika no-physical cash through ATM noma ku-bank teller. Mo ne-bank account, uba ne-bank number. I-bank number ila khona uzosendelwa khona imali noma wena ufuna ukutransferela umuntu imali kwi-account yakhe. Asibuye ngalana ku-crypto exchange. Crypto nakhona sine-institute efana njenge-bank, which is uLuno noma uBinance. Ufike uvule i-account khona, ibizwa nge-hot wallet noma i-cold wallet. Mosune hot wallet, usuzoba ne-wallet address. I-wallet address iyona isebenzisayo ukuthi receive ama-crypto. Abantu bengakusendela ama-Bitcoin or no bengakusendela Ethereum. But bazobe kusendela i-crypto badinga i-wallet address yakho. Okay, asiqhubeke ngala ku-banks. Mosune bank account, udinga i-PIN number, right? Uyabona ngala silapha phezulu. Udinga i-PIN number u-accessa i-account number yakho. Nangala ka-crypto, khona into ebizwa nge-seed phrase. Amagama lawa awu-12, iwona u-master key avula i-account yakho. Ngisho ngathi usulahlekela u-PIN code bakho, walahlekela u-email, walahlekela nayi-cold wallet. As long as une-seed phrase yakho, uzokwazi ukui-unlocka i-crypto wallet yakho. Okunye kumele ukwazi lapho kokugcina ukuthi ibank ilona ishaya umthetho nge-account yakho. Makwenzeka something kuwena noma utholakala ukuthi wenza into engaqondakali kahle, ibank line power ukuthi li freeze account number yakho. Khulukazi makwenza ushona, yonke into yakho iyafreezwa. Ngalana ku crypto, if kwenzeka something kuwena and une seed phrase yakho, nombani ozobe umshiyile ne-seed phrase yakho uzokwazi uku-accessa i-wallet address yakho noma ngithi i-crypto wallet yakho. Lo beku-chapter 2, just nje i-page simple elikwenzele i-comparison from i-traditional finance to i-crypto finance. Awu-47 ama-page kule PDF. Ma uyidinga ungangithinta kwi-WhatsApp, ngizokusendela i-download link yayo. I hope le video ikusizile just nje ukukisa kwi-basic. Kwi-video ezayo ngizobe ngikhuluma ngo-chapter 3, u-crypto trading 101. Ngizokubona kwezayo.